Welcome to another tutorial on how to check your UV light in your pressure filter H, which stands for handle. For this you'll need safety glasses and a Phillips screwdriver. To get to the UV, all you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. You'll start with unscrewing the handle here and here. That will pop off. You'll have the housing that covers the transformer. That's going to have 3 screws, one there, and one there. Phillips, unscrew it, it'll pop off. The transformer will then have 1 screw in the back. You can take a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew that, pull that out, give the transformer a twist, and that's how you remove the bulb. You want to next put on your glasses and plug it in. If it lights up, you know you're good to go. There is another model, however, that if you plug it in and it does not light up, you'll want to simply take a screwdriver and push down on in the crack right there for 3 seconds, and it will activate the light. This model is not like that, but some of them are. So if you plug it in and it does not work, try sticking a screwdriver into the tab, hold down for 3 seconds, and it should light up. To reassemble, just reverse the process. Thanks for watching.